Hey, Grandma.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry. I was putting clothes in the dryer.
I didn't call you, Grandma.
Well, I'm checking up on you. You just moved across the country. I miss you. I'm worried.
Don't be worried. I've just been studying a lot. I'm doing good. I promise.
Have you made any friends?
Um, Friends? Yeah. Every weekend. I got something going on, Grandma. I'm always hanging out with somebody.
Oh, tell me about them.
Yeah. So, I got my friend Ginger and Eric. Yeah, they're really supportive. They really know how to have a great time. And my buddy Sage. He's great to study with.
I knew you'd be fine, honey. All right, go back and study, okay? I love you.
Love you too, Grandma.